a colorful, nourishing, plant-powered meal in one bowl. This vegan Buddha bowl is vibrant, fresh, and packed with wholesome ingredients. Inspired by the Love and Lemons Buddha bowl, it brings together roasted sweet potatoes, crisp vegetables, hearty grains, protein-rich chickpeas, and a delicious turmeric-tahini sauce. It's nourishing, balanced, and incredibly easy to customize based on what you have at home. For the bowl, 1 large sweet potato cubed, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, 1 watermelon radish, thinly sliced, 2 medium carrots, shaved into ribbons, 1 cup shredded red cabbage, 8 kale leaves chopped, lemon wedges for squeezing, 2 cups cooked brown rice, 1 cup cooked chickpeas, 3/4 cup sauerkraut or other fermented veggies, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds or hemp seeds, microgreens. For the turmeric-tahini sauce, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, warm water, turmeric, salt and pepper. You can adjust the sauce amounts based on taste and thickness. How to make it: 1. Roast the sweet potatoes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the cubed sweet potato with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast for about 20 minutes, or until the edges are golden and the centers are tender. 2. Prepare the fresh veggies. Use a mandolin or sharp knife to slice the radishes thinly. Peel the carrots into long, thin ribbons with a vegetable peeler. Add the radishes, carrots, and red cabbage to a bowl and brighten them with a squeeze of lemon juice. Set aside. 3. Massage the kale. Place the chopped kale in a mixing bowl. Add a small squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Massage the kale with your hands for 30 to 60 seconds. This softens it and removes bitterness. 4. Build your base. Add the cooked brown rice to each bowl. Top with chickpeas or lentils for protein. 5. Assemble the Buddha bowls. Now the fun part. Arrange the kale, lemon-tossed vegetables, roasted sweet potatoes, and sauerkraut around the grains. Sprinkle with sesame or hemp seeds and add microgreens if you like. 6. Drizzle with sauce. Finish the bowl with a generous drizzle of turmeric-tahini sauce. Taste and adjust seasonings with extra salt, pepper, or lemon. Tips and variations. Switch up the grains: quinoa, farro, couscous, or wild rice. Change the protein, add baked tofu, tempeh, or black beans. Swap the veggies: roasted cauliflower, broccoli, beets, or zucchini work beautifully. Add crunch: toasted nuts, pumpkin seeds, or crispy chickpeas. Make it meal prep friendly. Prepare all components ahead and assemble bowls during the week. This Buddha bowl is one of those recipes that feels grounding and satisfying, but also fresh and energizing. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or a wholesome meal prep option.